Hello, I'm Vicky Schofield. Today is day 22 of my 40 days of colourful prayer journaling. Today I'm continuing my picture of living stones in my prayer journal, and I'm drawing a stone that is transparent. The one I did yesterday was opaque. Today the stone is transparent and you can see through it, and so I've done a design behind it that I'm now going to colour over, that you can see that it's transparent, but it is itself as well. It has colour and substance as well as being transparent. I'm not quite sure what this means to me spiritually. I'll find out, I'm sure, as I draw it. I've done them before without really thinking what it means, just because I enjoyed the process and liked the technique and the effect it gives. But I'm thinking there probably is a spiritual meaning for me, which is why it resonates for me. So I'm going to have a look at that, have a think as I'm creating it, what it means to me. So this is the stone for today. I love the colours, I love the warmth of this stone and the way the pattern is distorting underneath the glass. I think it's glass, I think it's polished glass, this. As I was drawing it, I was thinking about how, for me, seeing the pattern through the stone is about being able to see somebody clearly, to know what's going on for them, to understand them, to be able to see the patterns of their thinking, their life, how they react to things. That some people are like that, they're just transparent. They're easily understood. They're not hiding, they're not pretending. They're being real with you. And then I thought, well, I can't see into me. That's not true. I do know a lot about myself. Perhaps that's more about how I feel about myself. I don't know. Something to think about. It's getting better. The last time that I did this sort of stones, you can see this. This was something I did 2 years ago. And this stone there is me, not really shining. There is definitely an improvement. There is more of a transparency going on there than there used to be. So I'm going to be doing some more of these. And then I'm going to be putting some gold leaf around them, because they are very precious to God and to me. So have a go at this. Have a go at patterns, at how you see yourself, how God sees you. Developing a visual language, symbolic language for your prayer journal, to see how you are with God, with yourself, with others.